Hello and welcome back to the TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabrielle and I'm really excited for today's workout. Today's workout is going to be focusing on your core, working into those deep layer of abs. We are going to do today 45 seconds on with the exercise, 15 seconds rest, and then moving straight into the next exercise. We're going to keep it really interesting and fun today. There is no repeated exercises and I'm going to throw in a few moves that you may have never seen before. I will always offer the modification if you want to take that option. Let's get started with your 10-minute workout. Okay, so as always, you're going to take a little shoulder roll round, little shoulder roll round, and shoulder roll back, shoulder roll back. Let's go down towards the floor into your first thing, into a plank prep, hands under shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And then from here, we're going to tuck the toes under, and I want you to lift the knees 1 inch up and away from the floor. Let's go into your 45 seconds here. Eye line is just down towards the floor, just above the fingertips, hands under the shoulders, the knees are lifted. Now you can either stay here if you want the modification, want it a little bit harder, you're going to add a tuck of the tailbone, release, little tuck, release, it's a burner, tuck, release, the knees are hovering 1 inch up and away from the floor, little tuck, release, keep going, breathing, inhale, breathing, exhale, away we go, little tuck, release, can you scoop that navel up, scoop the abs in and under, it should burn, release, we go, tuck under, release, keep going, you've got 10 more seconds here, then you're going to go into a 15-second breather, keep those knees nice and low, we go, tuck under, release, 2, 1, drop the knees down to the floor, 15-second breather while I go into the next exercise. I'm going to show you first of all, you're going to step the feet in for 3, prep plank, step back out for 3. So we're going to go in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, starting a plank. You're going to step the feet in, 3, back out, 3, in, back out, out. Now as you do this here, I want you to keep your shoulders over the top of your wrists. Every time you walk the legs in, you're coming back into that plank prep position. Keep squeezing your navel in. Imagine you have a drink balanced on your back here. You cannot spill that drink. It is an orange juice for after class. Walk it back out again. Inhale, exhale. You are nearly done. We have a remaining 10 seconds here to go. Keep walking the feet in. Exhale, breathing in. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Take 15 seconds off here, and then we're going to go in towards a forearm plank. The feet step out, in, back in again. We're going to this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forearm plank, out, out, in, out, out, in. Again, it's really important here that you keep those abs in so tight. Keep squeezing belly button up to the spine. Inhale, exhale. It's getting tough right now. You have another 30 more seconds left to go, and then we're going to move into your next thing. This is a great one for not only tone up your waistline, working into your shoulder stability. Out, out, in, keep breathing. Try not to let those hips move. You have another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop the knees to the floor, in towards your next exercise. You're going to bring your feet all the way forwards onto the forearms, and I want you to bring your legs to a tabletop. You're going to extend 1, lift back up again. Let's go in 3, 2, in 1. Extend, in, extend, in. Now what should your body be doing right now? Your forearm should be down to the floor. The lower spine, your coccyx, those 2 bones should 1,000,000% be on the floor. The hips are tucked under if you wanted that a little bit harder. We go lengthen and in, go lengthen, in. So important here to breathe, lengthen, in. Forearms are down, tailbone is tucked, lumbar spine is 1,000,000% on the floor here. 10, keep going, lift, 7, drop, lift, you've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Next exercise here, give yourself a little breather. You're going to come down into a tabletop position. Knees over the top of the hips, reach the arms low. You're gonna go single leg drop, lift back up again in 3, 2, 1. Lengthen one leg, lift all the way back up again. Lengthen all the way out, squeeze and lift. Super important, you do not bend your spine. You want your navel squeezing in nice and tight. Every time you return that leg, bring it back to a tabletop. Lengthen, squeeze, lift up again. You should be feeling this in the waistline already. Lengthen all the way out, squeeze up, lift. You can so do this. We only have 15 more seconds to go, and then you get a quick breather. Lengthen out, just 10 more seconds now. You can push for it. Lengthen, squeeze, lift back up. We've got 5 more counts now. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees into the chest. Rock yourself back, rock yourself up forwards. Next thing, hands under the shoulders, back into the plank. The knee comes in, pushes back around the outside, and step back. So every time you bring the leg backwards, don't let the toe tap the floor. 2, 1, let's go. In, push back, squeeze to the side. In, back, squeeze, press. In, back, squeeze, press round. It is so important here. You keep on breathing. Keep squeezing the navel in. Go round, push, in, back, round, push. You are halfway through this one. Round, push. I am burning as well. Do not worry about that. You're going to get the waistline you want. Round, back, keep going. We've got 10 more seconds here left to go. Breathe in, breathe, exhale away. Keep on going. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop the knees down towards the floor. 15-second breather. We're going to go here into one of my favorite ab exercises. Bring the fingertips forwards, take the toes to a point. You're going to lengthen away, lift the knees back up, bend the elbows, lift up. 2, 1, let's go. All the way out and lift. All the way out, lift it back up. Lengthen the toes, knees to chest. All the way out, squeezing in. Don't forget, you want to bend the elbows, incline the body backwards, draw the knees in, lengthen, squeeze and lift. Breathe, inhale. Breathe, exhale away. Let's get those abs you and I always dreamed of. Let's go. Lengthen, squeeze and lift. You've got 15 seconds now. Keep on pushing through. Lengthen, squeeze and lift. You've got it. You can so do this. Lift up. You have just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You get a 15-second breather here. And then we're going to sweep the feet all the way round towards the back. Bring the forearms down, tuck the toes under, and I want you to lift the knees up and away. Eye line to the floor. You're just gonna tap the knees, lift in 2, 1, let's go. Tap, lift, tap, and lift. Again, the eye line is down. Your abs are squeezing so tight here. Do not forget, if you feel the burn during the workout, leave me a little comment after your session. Tell me how good that burn was. Tap, then lift. Go tap and lift. You should not feel this in your lumbar spine. If you do, squeeze your abs in harder, maybe tip the hips under. Go tap, lift, tap down, lift up, tap. Can you now never touch the knees to the floor? Hover them a millimeter away and you'll get a deeper workout. We go for a tap, lift. Just give me 10 more seconds here. I know it burns. Tap and lift. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick breather. Roll yourself all the way up, and then from here you have a 45-second just straight plank hold. 3, 2, 1. Tuck the toes under, step the feet backwards. Eye line to the floor. Do not go anywhere. At this point in your workout, you are right near the end. Maybe close your eyes. Maybe visualize you are somewhere else. You are on a beach, sipping a cocktail, sipping your favorite drink maybe, sipping a juice. Breathe in, breathe out, exhale away. Keep hugging those abs in. Now squeeze your inner thighs together as tight as you possibly can here. You've got this. Eye line to the floor, shoulders over the top of your wrist. 10 more seconds, 9. We're gonna go into your last thing here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15-second breather here. We're going to now go into your last exercise. I want you to bring the forearms to the floor, extend the legs out in front of yourself, flex the feet. Now the hips are going to go tuck under squeeze, tuck under squeeze. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We go tuck under squeeze, tuck under squeeze. Now I want you to take your eye line to your feet here. Try not to let them move. They will move a tiny bit, but really try to isolate the movement into your lower abs. Tuck under squeeze, you've got it. Tuck under squeeze. Now this is your last thing in your core workout today. Tuck under squeeze. Tuck under squeeze, 20 more seconds of this burn. How deep can you get to those abs? Tuck under squeeze, press the forearms down, tuck under squeeze. Let's go, tuck under squeeze. Tuck under squeeze, stick with me, 10 more seconds here. Really rock the navel to the floor. Rotate those hips under. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lift yourself all the way up. You made it through. Find a cross-legged position. Bring your left hand past your right knee. Open the chest. Twist to the side. Back through the center. Right hand past your left knee. Twist around to the side. And then from here, bring the hands behind the back. You're gonna open the chest up. Lengthen through the abdominals. Maybe close the eyes. Find a breath in. And as you exhale, press the chest higher. And then from here, you're going to bring your hands onto your thighs. Inhale, exhale, and well done in your core workout today. Thanks for joining me on my workout today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more workouts, nutritional advice, and special recipes, including gluten-free and nut-free. I absolutely loved today's workout. I definitely feel engaged. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how much you loved today's little burner. I will see you all again next time. Bye. Any questions? Comment down below. Bye.